January 1965. A brutal winter in the French Alps, while the V8-powered giants from Ford and Mercedes were sliding off the road. A tiny red box with a white roof was doing the impossible. Driven by the legendary Timo Mäkinen, the Mini Cooper S didn't just win the Monte Carlo rally, it embarrassed the world of motorsport. 60 years later, the legend is back. This is the 2026 Mini Cooper JCW 1965 Victory Edition. It's a modern tribute to the giant killer, and it might just be the most soulful Mini ever made. Welcome back to DRX AUTOMOBI. Today, we're taking the victory lap. The styling here is pure nostalgia. The Victory Edition is finished in chili red, the same iconic hue that conquered the rally stages 6 decades ago. You've got the signature white racing stripes and a white roof-a-color combo, usually reserved for the elite trims. But look closer at the doors. That bold white 52 graphic is a direct nod to Mäkinen's original race number. It rolls on 18-inch JCW lap spoke wheels with floating center caps that stay level while you drive. Even the valve caps are custom painted. It's the kind of detail that makes collectors sweat. For 2026, Mini lets you choose how you want to celebrate. For the purists, the petrol JCW packs a 2.0-liter twin-power turbo, pushing out 231 horsepower and a healthy 280 pound-feet of torque. It'll hit 60 in just 6.1 seconds. But the real surprise? The JCW Electric Victory Edition. It actually outmuscles the petrol car with 258 horsepower, dropping that 0 to 60 time to a blistering 5.9 seconds. Whether you want the snarl of a turbo or the instant punch of an Eve, this chassis is tuned for that go-kart handling that made the original 1965 car famous. Inside, the 1965 theme is everywhere. You get illuminated white 1965 door sills and a special dedication. Plaque on the door jamb commemorating the Mäkinen Easter crew. The JCW Sports steering wheel features a emblem at the 6 o'clock position. And even the key fob is embossed with the number 52. It's wrapped in anthracite and red, blending Mini's futuristic circular old display with a cockpit that feels like a vintage rally stage. It's more than a car. It's a time machine with Wi-Fi. The 2026 Victory Edition is a rare breed, literally. With production limited to just a handful of units in major markets, this is a future classic from day one. Is this the ultimate Mini for a car enthusiast? Let us know in the comments. Like and subscribe for DRX AUTOMOBI. I'm your host, and I'll see you at the finish line.